Strategies for growing your YouTube channel and monetizing successfully. Developing a prosperous YouTube channel involves dedication and smart strategies. Here's a concise guide to help you achieve growth and revenue generation. Define your niche. Choose a specific theme or topic that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will attract a targeted audience and make your channel stand out. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing engaging and valuable content. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and video editing software to enhance your video quality. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify relevant keywords. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Consistent upload schedule. Stick to a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed about when to expect new content. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and encourage viewer interaction. This helps build a loyal community around your channel. Collaborations. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche for cross-promotion. Collaborations expose your content to a wider audience. Thumbnails and titles. Create attention-grabbing thumbnails and titles that accurately represent your content. They play a crucial role in attracting clicks. Promote on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to increase visibility. Optimize for SEO. Write detailed and accurate video descriptions. Use relevant hashtags and include links to your social media and website. YouTube Analytics. Regularly analyze your channel's performance through YouTube Analytics. This data will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Monetization options. Google AdSense. Enable ads on your videos to earn revenue based on ad views and clicks. YouTube Premium Revenue. Access a portion of the subscription fee paid by YouTube Premium members who watch your content. Channel memberships. Offer exclusive perks to subscribers who pay a monthly fee. Merchandise shelf. Sell your merchandise directly below your videos. Sponsorships and brand deals. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. Patience and persistence. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Be patient, and don't be discouraged by slow growth in the beginning. Remember, the key to a thriving YouTube channel is to consistently provide value to your viewers and adapt your strategies based on their preferences.